A recent study by AMA Research, who are specialized in the construction industry, suggests that the construction industry will experience an upturn from the COVID-19 pandemic. Offsite construction is set to become the new norm. In the near future, offsite construction presents a number of benefits: factory environment, modern production methods, and increased efficiency matching the requirements of the fast-track building projects. Being different and change in general is usually followed by some reluctance. But if this leads to enhanced design visualization, improved data exchange, reduced construction waste, improved productivity, and higher product quality, a change becomes necessary. The UAE is a unique place construction-wise, and it's full of iconic projects you might not see anywhere. And to fulfill these unique construction requirements, unconventional methods are required. Our friends at Crystal Projects General Contracting Company believe they are up to the challenge. Stay tuned to learn how. My name is Hani Salah, representing Trimble Solutions Middle East, and welcome to Tekla Updates. Welcome back. In order to overcome the challenges that are attached to such complex projects, you need a powerful tool that allows you to execute and deliver such projects seamlessly. Tekla Software is a unique product that allows users to construct and visualize complex projects even before going to the site, a process that we also call offsite construction. Crystal Projects are successfully delivering special steel projects in the region using the power of BIM through Tekla Software. Tekla Software has been used in the engineering, fabrication, and construction phases to visualize, coordinate, and communicate the changes flawlessly from the office to the fabrication and up to the site erection.
Crystal Project General Contracting is a reputed and experienced company in the United Arab Emirates. We are serving the construction industry with its business main core versatility, dynamic and progressive. We are getting more and more involved in complex and unique projects in the region. For example, Mazda Central Park, Sela and Fatima Ladies Beach. Tekla Software is one of the most unique tools converting complicated projects to be simple and clear for the construction.
We are aware that every project is unique in its own way. So if you want to find out how Tekla Software can benefit your project, then contact us today. That was your Tekla Updates for today. Thank you and see you in the next one.